Brackets, Extreme Edition. You must determine whether a given expression has valid brackets. This means all the parentheses, square brackets, and curly brackets must be correctly paired and nested. The expression does not contain white space characters. I'm not going to use PHP, I'm going to use Python. So the first line, expression, is basically that. And for the output, is basically true if each kind of bracket, either parentheses, square brackets, and curly brackets in expression are paired correctly. If not, then it will become false. The constraints is expression contains less than 2048 characters. So if there's an example of this, then the output will be true. There's 8 test cases for me to solve. Let's start.